Dear students, now we will move on towards 4.3 exercise. But before starting this exercise, you must know few things. Like very first of all, I want to tell you the nature of roots. Nature of roots, what do you mean by nature of roots? Like this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. General quadratic equation. To find the nature of the roots, we must calculate the discriminant. To find the nature of the roots, we must calculate discriminant. And the formula discriminant is denoted by capital D, and its formula is b square minus 4ac, where b will get from quadratic equation coefficient of x square minus 4 into a. A is coefficient of x square multiplied by c, that is constant term. So from the quadratic equation, by putting the values of a, b, c in this formula, we'll get the nature of the roots, right? So like there are three types of discriminant. Very first one is when d is greater than 0. Dear students, what do you mean by this? This means if you will solve this formula and you will get a positive value, आपको वैल्यू d की वैल्यू कैसी मिल जाए? पॉजिटिव वैल्यू मिल जाए, राइट? देन we will call the nature of the roots as real and distinct roots. And if by solving discriminant हमें discriminant की value 0 मिले, means after putting the values in this we'll get answer 0, then the nature of the roots will be real and equal roots. And if on solving the discriminant the value is less than 0, लेस देन 0, 0 से छोटी वैल्यूज़ कैसी होती हैं बेटा? 0 से छोटी वैल्यूज़ कैसी होती हैं? दे ऑल आर नेगेटिव वैल्यूज़, दे ऑल आर नेगेटिव. अगर माइनस में आंसर आता है देन वी विल से नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स इज नॉन रियल रूट्स, और वी कैन कॉल इट एज रूट्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. तो इस केस में हम क्या करेंगे? हमारा क्वेश्चन वहीं ख़त्म हो जाता है. हम वी डू नॉट solve the equation to get the roots, right? Now let me give you the examples of few equations, quadratic equations, in which you can answer for nature of roots. So let us take first example for real and distinct roots. Let us see. Let us take an example. We have an equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So dear students, here a is 3, b is minus 5. Take it along the sign, and c is 2. So let us find out the discriminant. The formula, you know, b square minus 4ac. So we'll write the formula b square minus 4ac. b, what is b? It is minus 5. x नहीं लेना, we have to take only coefficients. 4 minus 4. And do not forget of putting this bracket beta, because when you will solve this bracket for square तो माइनस का स्केयर क्या बन जाता है? पॉजिटिव. एंड इफ़ यू डू नॉट पुट द ब्रैकेट तो आप क्या करेंगे? इसे लिख देंगे माइनस 5 स्केयर मीन माइनस 25. सो पुट द ब्रैकेट. सो माइनस 4 इंटू ए, वॉट इज़ ए? कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्केयर, दैट इज़ 3 इंटू सी. वॉट इज़ सी? इट इज़ कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म 2. सो लेट अस सॉल्व इट. So minus square is plus, 5 square is 25, minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So the value 25 minus 24 is 1. That means D की value आई है plus 1. D is plus 1 and 1 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. So what is the answer? The nature of the roots is real and डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स. आप यहाँ लिखेंगे देयरफॉर द रूट्स आर रियल एंड देयरफॉर रूट्स आर रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट, राइट? सो दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल. नाउ लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू गेट डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0. सो लेट अस टेक एन इक्वेशन अगेन. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is A? A is 2. What is B? B is minus 2 root 2. This complete value is 2. B, and C is constant term 1. Now let us write the formula. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now what is B? It is minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 square. Now what mistake I have done? I forgot to put the bracket. So let us put the bracket and put all the things in the bracket. Right? Then B square. Then in the formula minus is there. Write down minus 4 into A. What is A? Plus 2 into C. What is C? 1. और यहाँ अगर माइनस होता तो माइनस लिखते तो माइनस माइनस प्लस बन जाएगा. So now minus square is plus, 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2. Minus 4 2s are 8, 1s are 8. So from here we'll get 4 2s are 8 plus 8 and minus 8. The value is 0. The value is 0. That means discriminant is equal to 0. So what is the nature of the roots? What do you write? You have to write the nature of roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Nature of roots are real and equal. The equation has equal and real roots. So now the third case is when discriminant is less than 0. So let me give you an example for this also. Let us take an example. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is A in this? Here A is nothing is there. We'll take 1. B is 4 and C is constant term C. So let us write the formula. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B? It is 4 square minus 4 into A. What is A? It is 1 into, no sign is there, that means multiplication, into C plus 5. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 1s are 4 5s are 20. So what value do we get? 16 minus 20 is minus 4. That means the value is negative. Value is negative. और minus 4 क्या होता है? Less than 0 होता है. Minus 4 is less than 0. That means discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant की value minus 4 जो आई है that is less than 0. तो हम nature of roots क्या लिखेंगे? Non-real roots, or we can write as roots does not exist. हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं roots does not exist. We can write either of the statement here. So okay dear students. So in this way you will be able to find out the nature of the roots. So in this question, if it is given to you that what is the nature of the roots, so to get the nature of the roots you have to apply the formula for discriminant, which is equal to, which is denoted by D, and it is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now there are three possibilities for the discriminant. One is when the discriminant is positive. अगर हमें discriminant की value plus में मिले means greater than 0. If it is equal to 0 and if it is negative that is less than 0. So if the value is positive means D की value हमारे पास positive आती है. We'll write the nature of the roots as real and distinct roots. If after solving the discriminant we'll get value 0, then we'll write the nature of the roots as real and equal roots. And if we'll get the discriminant value in a negative form, means negative value means less than 0, then we can write non-real roots or roots does not exist. So dear students, these are known as nature of roots, right? Like in now 4.3 exercise, if you read the question, what they asked you, find the roots of the following quadratic equation. Find the roots means x की वैल्यू निकालनी है quadratic equation की, बट आगे क्या दिया है? इफ़ दे एग्जिस्ट. बेटा इफ़ दे एग्जिस्ट का मतलब होता है वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स. एंड व्हेन डू द रूट्स एग्जिस्ट किस केस में कर रहे हैं? ओनली इन दीज टू केसेस, व्हेन द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज पॉजिटिव और इट इज़ इक्वल टू 0. रूट्स डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन दिस केस. तो अगर हमारा डिस्क्रिमिनेंट नेगेटिव आता है देन विल स्टॉप डूइंग द क्वेश्चन, वी डू नॉट फाइंड आउट द रूट्स. बट अगर हमारा डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ग्रेटर देन ज़ीरो मीन्स पॉजिटिव या ज़ीरो आता है देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ द रूट्स ईदर बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मैथड जो आपने पिछली एक्सरसाइज में किया है, और बाय completing square method, or by quadratic formula. So now in the next video I'll explain you completing square method and quadratic method of solving the quadratic equations. So note down this complete table in your notebook with examples, okay, in the same form beautifully.